I call this beef noodle soup Chinese pho. Its preparation is identical to that of Vietnamese pho. A beef broth is simmered for a long time, but each soup is distinguished by some spices and sauce used. The final taste is very different. In the Vietnamese pho soup, we use rice noodles. In this beef noodle soup, we use wheat egg noodles. Here are the ingredients for 6 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by preparing the beef broth. Put in a pot 1.5 kilograms of pieces of beef to simmer, 2.5 liters of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 cup of light soy sauce. Put a lid and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, put in a pan 1 teaspoon of Szechuan pepper, 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 4 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 dry chili. Roast them over low heat for 3 minutes. Regularly stir when fragrant. Put them in a bowl to prevent the spices from burning. Cut 5 slices of ginger. Also roast them with an onion for 10 minutes over low heat. Flip them from time to time. Make a bouquet with 4 spring onions. The broth begins to boil. Remove the foam. Then add the roasted onion and ginger, the roasted spices, 1 tablespoon of fine spice powder, 2 bay leaves, 20 grams of Chinese crystal sugar, the spring onion bouquet. Put the lid. Simmer on very low heat for 3 hours. Wash the Chinese cabbage, bok choy. Mince 2 spring onions and 5 grams of cilantro. After 3 hours, cut the fire and remove the pieces of beef. Let them cool. Remove the fat on the surface. Strain the broth. Once cooled, cut the meat in 2 slices. In a pot of boiling water, blanch the pak choi for 1 minute. And the bean sprouts for 10 seconds. Prepare each bowl separately. Untangle a portion of noodle for one person. Put them in boiling water, heat it on high fire. When they'll come up to the surface, leave them for another 15 seconds and remove them. Put them in a big bowl, then add some pak choi, some beef slices, some bean sprouts, some boiling broth, some chili oil if you like, some spring onion and cilantro. Eat immediately and bon appétit! The spices and herbs make this soup very fragrant. The broth has very good taste of beef. It's delicious. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.